Making money online isn't just a trend anymore, it's the future. But here's the truth, most people approach it wrong. Today, I'm breaking down the exact strategies you can use to create a sustainable income online. Strategies I've used and seen work for hundreds of others. No shortcut, no empty promises, just real actionable steps. Let's get into it. Before you think about making money, you need to focus on one thing, building high income skills. Why? Because skills are foundation of online success. Without them, you are just throwing darts in the dark. Skills in 2025. Think copywriting, video editing, web designing, or sales. These are the skills businesses actually pay for. You don't need to master all of them. Pick one and go deep. Use platforms like Skillshare or Udemy to learn and practice until you are confident. Once you're honed your skill, offer your service to small businesses. Now that you got the skill, it's time to monetize it. Freelancing is the fastest way to turn skills into cash flow. Use platforms like Upwork to get started, but here's the key. Don't rely on them. Build a relationship with your clients and turn one-time gigs into ongoing retainers. Quick example, if you are a social media manager, don't just post content for clients. Offer complete solutions, strategy, growth analysis. That's how you increase your value. Think of this as playing the long game. Content creation builds your personal brand, which unlocks opportunities to affiliate marketing, scholarship, and even partnerships. Pick a niche. It doesn't matter if it's fitness, finance, or lifestyle. Post content consistently, provide real value, and the audience will come. Once you have attention, monetizing opportunities are endless. Courses, products, or even consulting. This is where real wealth is created. Building digital assets that generate passive income, digital products like ebooks, online courses, or templates can earn for you while you sleep. Think about what people ask you for advice on. Package that knowledge into a product and sell it. Platforms like Takeable or Gumroad make it easy to scale this model. Quick insight: the best products solve specific problems. A vague course on how to make money. One sell, a forced guide on how to land your first freelance gig in 30 days, that value people pay for. Here's where most people fail. They work hard, but they don't think about scaling or automating. If you are serious about building real wealth, you need systems. Whether it's outsourcing repetitive tasks, automating email flow-up, or using AI tools for efficiency, the goal is to remove yourself from the equation wherever possible. This frees you to focus on strategies instead of getting stuck into the weeds. The last piece of the puzzle, invest in yourself. The people who succeed online are constantly learning, adapting, and leveling up. The internet changes fast. If you don't stay ahead, you fall behind. Spend time sharpening your skills, building your network, and improving your mindset. This isn't just about tactics. It's about becoming the type of person who thrives into the space. If you are watching this, you already know the potential of making money online. But potential means nothing without action. The strategies I've shared today will work if you work. So stop scrolling, pick one method and start building. Remember, there are no shortcuts. The question isn't whether you can make money online. The question is, will you put the work? Let me know in the comments which strategies you are starting with. And as always, I'll see you at the top.